Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you make TikTok videos. So you need to have a TikTok account and you need to download the TikTok app. Let's just go to the TikTok app. Here you can see in the middle plus icon, click on it. You can see the big red button. Just by pressing it down you can make TikTok videos. You can see the duration. Just by swiping it you can change the duration of the video. You can see the effects option, which is left side of the red button. Click it. Here you can change the effects of the video like this. Go back. Here you can see upload in the right side of the red button. You can upload your photo or videos in TikTok. So guys, this is how can you make TikTok videos. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.